Hello friends! Is your car struggling to start, misfiring, or running rough? Maybe you're experiencing loss of power and that dreaded check engine light is on? If your scanner is showing P0342, that means there's an issue with your Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP circuit, low input voltage. This sensor plays a crucial role in controlling ignition timing, and if it fails, your car might refuse to start or run poorly. In this video, we'll cover what P0342 means, symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. P0342 stands for Camshaft Position Sensor Circuit Low Input. The CMP sensor tracks the position of the camshaft and sends this data to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to ensure precise fuel injection and spark timing. A low voltage input means the PCM isn't getting proper signals, leading to poor engine performance. Common symptoms of P0342, check engine light, CEL. On hard starting or no start condition misfires and rough idling, poor acceleration and hesitation, loss of power while driving, and reduced fuel efficiency. Ignoring this issue can lead to severe engine performance problems and even complete failure to start. The Camshaft Position Sensor, or CMP, can usually be found in a few key locations. First, near the cylinder head. It's often mounted on the timing cover or valve cover, close to the camshaft. Another common spot is near the timing chain or belt. Some vehicles place it behind the timing cover, which, honestly, can make it a bit harder to access. You might also find it near the intake or exhaust camshaft. This depends on whether the vehicle has a single overhead camshaft, SOHC, or a dual overhead camshaft, DOHC. And don't forget about the wiring harness and connectors. A damaged or corroded connector can also trigger the P0342 code. Common causes of P0342. First, a faulty camshaft position sensor or CMP. If the sensor is weak or damaged, it may not send the right signal. Second, bad wiring or loose connections. Corroded or frayed wires can interrupt voltage supply. Third, a weak battery or charging system issues. A low voltage battery or faulty alternator can cause this error. Fourth, a faulty crankshaft position sensor, or CKP. The CKP sensor works closely with the CMP sensor, and a failure in one can affect the other. Fifth, a damaged timing chain or belt. If the timing chain jumps, it can affect camshaft alignment and trigger P0342. Finally, a PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, malfunction. This is rare but possible in certain vehicles. How to fix P0342? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to check for related codes like P0335, P0341, or P0365. Step 2. Locate and inspect the Camshaft Position Sensor, or CMP, for cracks, oil contamination, or improper mounting. Step 3. Check the wiring harness and connectors for corrosion, frayed wires, or loose pins. Step 4. Test the battery and alternator to ensure the electrical system is providing stable voltage. Step 5. Inspect the Crankshaft Position Sensor, or CKP, for issues, as it works together with the CMP sensor. Step 6. If needed, replace the Camshaft Position Sensor, or CMP, with a new one. Step 7. Clear the codes and test drive to confirm the fix. A failing camshaft position sensor can lead to hard starts, misfires, and rough idling. Fixing P0342 will restore proper ignition timing and improve overall engine performance. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos: P0332, knock sensor, circuit low input, bank 2, and P0333, knock sensor circuit high input, bank 2. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.